Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the work area safe and accessible. Clear furniture, wear gloves, and set tools nearby. First, release the sash by unlocking and operating the tilt latches. You want the movable panel free. Next, score the paint or caulk along the interior stop with a utility knife to prevent splintering. Once done, pry the stop gently with a small pry bar and remove it. These actions let you access the sash edges and prepare for the lift-out step without damaging trim. With the stops removed, support the sash securely and prepare to disengage it from the track. For tilt windows, tilt the top of the sash inward and pull the bottom toward you until the rollers clear the track. For single hung, lift the sash to its service position and tilt out. Make sure to keep a steady grip or use a suction cup so the glass doesn't fall. Once free, set the sash on a padded surface and mark its orientation so reinstallation is straightforward. Now remove the remaining frame pieces. Start by unscrewing jam screws and detaching any balance or track hardware. Once hardware is removed, cut the exterior caulk bead with a knife to separate the frame from siding. Pry the outer frame away carefully, working from one corner to the next, and remove shims or nails. Finally, inspect the rough opening for rot or water damage and clean debris. Replace any damaged wood before installing a new window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.